Attention! Business owners, business developers, and government contractors. Are you tired of struggling to secure government contracts? Do you want to learn how to uncover concealed insights to locate prospects, meet bid requirements, address requests for proposals, and secure additional contracts? Then join us for our free Federal Business Development webinar. Use the link on the screen to attend this free webinar or join at govwebinar.com. James is a business owner who attended the Federal Business Development webinar, and it changed everything. He learned how to utilize various sales methods, establish communication with appropriate authorities, analyze significant rivals, and form strategic alliances. He also learned how to develop a reliable pipeline for government bid opportunities and assess bid opportunities to maximize the likelihood of securing a successful outcome. So don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to secure government contracts without the need for costly proposal writers. Use the link on the screen, or you can join right now at govwebinar.com. Sign up now for the free Federal Business Development webinar and take the first step towards expanding your business. Go ahead and register now for the free Federal Business Development webinar using the link on the screen or join at govwebinar.com and secure government contracts without the need for costly proposal writers.